1. It may help boost metabolism. Some of the ingredients in Ikaria lean belly juice, such as green tea and ginger, have been shown to have metabolism-boosting properties. This may help the body burn more calories and potentially contribute to weight loss. 2. It may reduce inflammation. The ingredients in Ikaria lean belly juice, such as turmeric and ginger, have anti-inflammatory properties. Reducing inflammation in the body may help with weight loss and overall health. 3. It may increase energy levels. The ingredients in Ikaria lean belly juice, such as green tea and ginger, may help increase energy levels and improve overall physical performance. This may make it easier to engage in physical activity, which can contribute to weight loss. 4. It may improve digestion. Some of the ingredients in Ikaria lean belly juice, such as ginger and turmeric, may help improve digestion and reduce bloating. This may help with weight loss and improve overall digestive health. 5. It may support healthy weight loss. Ikaria lean belly juice may help support healthy weight loss by providing the body with nutrients that can help with weight management. 6. It is convenient. Ikaria lean belly juice is easy to take with you on the go and can be easily mixed with water or another beverage for a quick and convenient way to get nutrients. 7. It is made from natural ingredients. Ikaria lean belly juice is made from a blend of natural ingredients, including herbs and spices, which may be more appealing to some people compared to supplements made with artificial or synthetic ingredients.